Welcome to new video. Today's topic quadratic equation. First question. Number A, x square plus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. So how we simplify this one? Here is 5. Look, if we factorize this 5, it will be 1 times 5. So we cannot find out the value by using middle term factor. So in this case we can use quadratic equation in general formula. It means we know ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It means x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So here we can write here a means 1 because this x square has no coefficient. A is a coefficient of x square. Now b equals to 2 because 2 is a coefficient of x, and c, this is minus 5. So we can write x equals to minus b, it means minus 2, plus minus root over b square, it means 2 square, minus 4 times c means minus 5 times a means what? A means 1, then 2a, 2 times 1. So minus 2 plus minus root over 2 square means 4, minus and minus plus, 4 times 5 is a 20. 20 divide 2. Then here is minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 24, 4 plus 24, 4 plus 20. It means what? 24 divide 2. So if we segregate this 24, we can write 4 times 6, it means 4 square roots, 4 means 2 and root 6. So we can write against this root 24, here is minus 2 plus minus root 24 means 2 root 6 divide 2, right? Now from here we can take common minus not, we can take common 2, right? So here is minus 1 and then plus minus root 6 equals to 2, right? Then 2 and 2 out, it will be minus 1 plus minus root 6. So if positive, look, if positive, then x equals to minus 1 plus root 6. So minus 1 plus root 6 means what? Root 6 means, we can use calculator, root 6 is 2.45, 2.45. So in this case answer will be 1.45. Again, if minus, then x equals to, here is minus 1 and minus root 6, same thing, minus 1. So minus root 6 means 2.45, so it will be minus 3.45. so here is two answer we can write. So x equals to minus 3.45 or 1.45. Very simple. I wish you cleared this one. So we are trying to solve this equation by quadratic equation general formula. So we will solve, or we will try to solve another math, which is number B. Here is x square plus 17x minus 30 equals to 0. So these kinds of quadratic equation, first we have to find out is it possible or not by middle term factor. So first 30, if we factorize, here is 1 times 30, then 2 times 15. So look, we can write this one x square plus 15x plus 2x minus 30, but it's not possible. Here is, we get 2 times 15 is a 30 and 15 plus 2 is a 17. The condition is okay, but we cannot write like this way, because if we take common from here x, it will become 15, and when we will take common 2, it will become x minus 15. So it's not possible. These kinds of thing, these kinds of scenario, we should use quadratic equation in general formula. Now let's try to find the solution by another way. We know ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation, and x equals to what? Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So this kinds of scenario, here a equals to 1, we can write here, b equals to 17 and c equals to minus 30. So x equals to, we can implement this thing in this formula. So minus b means 17, so we can write 17 plus minus root over b square, it means 17 square, minus 4 times a means what? 1, c means what? Minus 30, right? 2 times 1. Now here is minus 17 plus minus root over, look, 17 times 17 equals to 289. 289 minus and minus, it will be plus. 4 times 3 is a 12, it means 120 divide 2. Now look, minus 17 plus minus, so 289 plus 1 time 120, it will be 409. So 409, is it perfect square? If perfect square or not doesn't matter. If we square root, we will get 20.22, right? 20.22. okay. Now divide 2. So here is plus and minus, we can write if plus, so x equals to minus 17, then plus 20 times 2 to divide 2. So what's happening now here? 20 times 2 to minus 17, it will be 3.22 divide 2. So here is 1.61, okay, 1.61. If minus x equals to minus 17, then minus 20.22 divide 2. Now minus 17 minus 20.22, so here will be 37.22, right? 37.22 divide 2. So once we divide by 2, it will be minus 81.61 minus 81 minus 18, sorry, not 81, minus 18.61, and this is our result. So we get two result. So x equals to either 18.61 or 1.61. okay, it's a very simple thing. So no more today, we are trying to solve two math, A and B. Next video we will try to discuss one more math based on quadratic equation, which is very important for examination or any kinds of admission test, job admission, lots of things. So till then, take care, keep practice at home. This is my channel Math Jeep. I wish you will subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.